Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on PC and laptop. So let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser and just come to a search engine. Now, if you didn't know, Fortnite is actually made and run by Epic Games. So what you need to do is go and search for Epic Games like so, because we need to get the Epic Games launcher in order to get Fortnite. So keep watching and we'll continue. So click on Epic Games Store. Then all you need to do is go to the top right and you want to go and click on download like so. The launcher will now go and start downloading. And now what I recommend you do is go and create an Epic account. This is going to be your Fortnite account. So you head to the top right and click on sign in. Don't worry if you don't already have an account, because we can create one on this page. What you can do is scroll down and click on create account if you haven't already got one. I already do. After you have got your Epic account, then what you need to do is open up your file explorer, come into your downloads, and you should and see the Epic installer. Then all you need to do is go and double click on it and we can go and start the process. Click on install. You'll get a Windows security pop-up which you need to agree to. Now we can go and start going through the process. You should go and get this Epic Games pop-up and now keep waiting. It's going to go and download. You don't need to do much, just wait. You'll go and get another security pop-up which you need to agree to, and Epic Games should go and open up. And now what you can do is go and sign in with your account. Here we are in the Epic Games. So all you want to do is go to the left and click on store, go to the top, and we can then go and click on search and type in Fortnite, and there it is. Go and click on it. Then what you can do is go and scroll down and you want to go and click on get over to the right like so. It will go and say loading your order, but it's free. So you can just click on place order in the bottom right. Just make sure you agree to this here. It's free, so it's not too big a deal, but make sure you do. You'll get this pop-up and you can go and click on view and library. Then all you need to do is scroll down and you should see Fortnite here. You can go and click on it and we can then choose where it's installed. I'm going to change the location. What you can do is choose if you want it to auto update, and if you want a shortcut, then you can then go and click on install. Make sure you read and agree to this. I already have, so I'll press I read and agree, and I'll press on accept like so. Now it's going to start installing. You can see the progress in the bottom left by clicking on downloads. As you can see, it's like this. It will take some time. After it's finished downloading and installing, it's going to go and do that automatically. Now you can come to your library on the left here, go and click on it, and you can then go and start playing. It's super straightforward. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.